Hello everyone, welcome back to my English class. I am Jyoti Singh and today I am going to tell you about letter writing. What is a letter and how many types of letters we have and how to write a letter and what are the uses of a letter. So let's continue this. What is a letter? Written message conveyed from one person to another person, that is called letter, and generally via post. Communication in written form. In short, we can say communication in written form is called a letter. Types of letter. A letter has two types: formal letter and informal letter. A formal letter is written to a business or a professional purpose and it is written in simple language, whereas informal letter, it is a personal communication and it is written on casual or emotional tone. Casual or emotional tone. For example, we can write an informal letter to our friends, our colleagues, or our family members. How to write a formal letter? Format of this. Firstly, we have to mention the sender's detail. The person who is sending the letter, we have to mention its name, then address, and after then that the date. The date which you write, and then the receiver's detail, whom you are addressed. Name of the receiver and the address of the receiver, and after then that salutation. If the person is known, you have to mention his name, his or her name. Otherwise you can write sir or madam. Now come to the next. After then that we have to mention the subject, what the letter is about, because after written the subject, it is very clear and it is very catching what the letter is about. And after then that body, the actual message. Body, it is written in three parts. The first one is the introduction, purpose of the letter, then main content, all detailed information in this, and the last is the summary, summarize information. And after then that, number 7, complimentary clause. And after then that, after written the body, we come to the complimentary clause. It is finished by yours faithfully or yours sincerely. And after then that, your name and signature. Sometimes you can write designation if it is mandatory or required. There is an example for you. There is a question. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper on the issue of bad condition of roads in your locality. This is a complaint type of letter. So how to write it? Firstly, mention the address of the sender. I 585 Ashray, opposite Nishant School, Ahmedabad, and leave one line, and after then that mention the date 26th January 2020, and after then that address of the receiver, the editor, and after then that salutation, dear sir, and then the subject, what is the subject? Regarding bad condition of roads, and after then that body of the letter, and last, yours faithfully, Mohan Singh. Complimentary clause. Here is the body of the letter. As you see, the first one is the sender's address, then receiver's address, then the salutation and the subject, and after then body of the letter. Here is the body of the letter. How to write a body of letter? Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards the bad condition of roads in our locality. And first passage is complete. Now come to the second one. The condition of roads is completely unacceptable. It has countless potholes, making the purpose of the road a big failure. Moreover, things get even worse during the rainy season when potholes are not visible due to the poor drainage system and the area becomes heavily accident prone. The road users and especially residents are forcing a lot of inconvenience due to the pathetic road condition. The second point is complete. Now come to the summarize the body. It would be good if you publish this in your newspaper and the concerned authority will see the gravity of this matter and some measures will be adopted to improve the condition of roads. I hope that you consider the request of the residents of this area and take proper action. Here the body of the letter is finished. Now at the end, yours faithfully.